Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Lexus LS400. The 2025 Lexus LS400 is expected to make a stunning return, blending the classic luxury that defined the original LS400 with modern technology and cutting-edge performance. Here's what you might see in this highly anticipated model: performance and powertrain. The 2025 LS400 is likely to feature a powerful V6 or V8 engine, delivering smooth yet responsive performance. Lexus may also introduce a hybrid powertrain for improved fuel efficiency without compromising luxury or power. Expect refined handling with an adaptive suspension system for a smooth, quiet ride. Design and exterior. Lexus is expected to retain the timeless elegance of the original LS400 while incorporating sleek, modern lines and the signature Lexus spindle grille. Slim LED headlights, chrome accents, and aerodynamic bodywork will give the 2025 LS400 a sophisticated and contemporary look. Interior and technology. Inside, the LS400 will deliver top-tier luxury with premium leather upholstery, real wood trims, and ambient lighting. The cabin will likely feature a high-resolution touchscreen, Lexus' latest infotainment system, and a Mark Levinson premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Advanced features such as wireless charging, multi-zone climate control, and massaging seats will enhance passenger comfort. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 LS400 will come equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking. Expected release and pricing. While Lexus hasn't officially announced the release date, the 2025 LS400 is expected to launch in late 2025 with a starting price that reflects its luxury sedan status, potentially ranging from $80,000 to $100,000, depending on trim and options. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.